Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube full video. Today I am showing you how to decorate a pineapple cake. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's begin the video. Now I am taking rosette nozzle for decoration. Now I am taking 1 tablespoon of neutral gel. Then add some water and add yellow color in it. Mix it well and you can see the consistency of this neutral gel. Spread it well on the cake with the help of a spatula. You can make design of your choice. Here I have took chocolate ganache to make web design. You can also use black gel instead of chocolate ganache. The cake is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more cake and food videos. Thank you for watching.